Hello children, today we are going to start a new book, that is class 1 course book, and its name is New Mulberry English course book, and it's written by Sumita Bose. So let's start children with our new chapter first. See children, before moving to the new chapter or a story or a poem, first we will do some revision of grammar. Why grammar? Because when we will do book exercises in this book, we will get some grammar portions also. And obviously it's a new session, it's the new beginning of the year, so it's very important to revise the things which we have done in our previous class. So we will start now. I hope children you all remember whatever we have learned so far. So it will be very easy for you to answer the questions given here. First one is naming words. So children, we know what are naming words. Nouns are naming words. Noun is a name of a person, place, animal or thing. So you can also say a naming word is the name of an animal, a place, a person or thing. Let's see example like giraffe, it's name of an animal. Desert, it's name of a place. Boy, it's name of a person. And sunflower, it's name of a thing. Now one and many. See children, one means one, fine, and many means more than one. So you can also say singular and plural. One means singular and many means plural. So naming words can be one or many. Sometimes we add the letter S to naming words to show more than one, like one flower. And if there is many, then what will you say? Many flowers. One car, many cars. One ball, many balls. So children, if something is more than one, you have to use S at the end of the word. One bird, many birds. One cup, many cups. In the same way children, action words. Verbs are called action words, or you can say verbs are called doing words whenever you are doing something. So an action word tells us what someone or something is doing. See children, in grammar what happens if you are thinking, sitting, standing or sleeping, it means you are doing something. They will be known as verb. For example, dance. Can you see a boy is dancing? So here dance is a verb or action word you can say. Skip, run and cook. So whatever you do, okay, whether you dance, skip, run, sleep, think, stand, sit, whatever you do, they will be known as action word, that is verb. Now is and are. Just now we have learned one and more than one or one and many. So children, when you are talking about one, you will use is. And when you are talking about many, then you will use are. Let's see the example. When we talk of one thing, we use is. Like for example, this is a cub. But when we talk of more than one thing, we use are. Like these are cubs. Now I, he, she and e. Children, you know I we use for ourselves, or you can say myself. He is used for a boy. She is used for a girl. And we is used for again when we are more than one. Like suppose I am sitting with you. Okay, then we will say we. Like see, when a single person is talking about herself or himself, then he or she will use I. A girl will use for she. A boy is boy. For boy we use he. And for more than one person we use we. So I hope children you have understood, but we have few more book exercises which I will do in my next video children. That's all for today. Thank you.